So now let's quickly shape our neckline. So remember, 0 to 3, I use 3 inches because that is 1/5 of my neck measurement. So 0 to 3A, I'm going to use that 3 inches. That is 3A. Then to 3B, I'm going to use that same 3 inches. 3B. What we did is just to get the box for the neck, the center front neck, the neckline. Do you see that? So we are going to shape our shoulder. Remember, like I said for the center back, when we were treating the center back, that you deduct. So the next thing is to determine the level of our chest. How do we do that? 3A to 4, you measure whatever you have there, you divide it into 3. So the 1/3 of it you measure from 4 upward. Do you get what I just said? So you measure in this direction. Like now I have 6 3/4. So I'm going to divide it into 3. So I have 2 1/4, which I have marked here. So I'm going to make it 4A. So I'm going to take the same measurement from 6 upward in this direction, which is like this. So I will make it 6A. I'm doing this because we're going to curve our armhole around this part. Now, how do we... Okay, we want to determine the shoulder slant now. So what we do is we are going to go back to the center back. We are going to measure from 0 to 6. What we use is 0 to 6. The shoulder line is what we're going to use in order for us to have accurate shoulder line measurements here. So let me quickly... So, which is done. I'm going to measure it here. So that is the line. I'm going to rule it across with a broken line. It's just to determine the shoulder length, and we are still going to drop it by... So on this line, we are going to drop it by 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter. So which means at the end of the day, our shoulder slant will fall on this line. This is just a guideline. This is the accurate one, and I drop it by 1.5 centimeter. So I'm not putting shoulder darts, it's just the center front. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take my measurement, which is 5 plus ½ inch. So we have so I'll make a 3C. That's the shoulder slant. The shoulder slant. So the next thing I'm going to do is on 6A, I'm going to take it in by 1 centimeter, and I'll make it 6C. 1 centimeter. The reason I took in 1 centimeter is because the back width and the chest level are not the same. They are not the same. Do you understand? The chest is smaller than the back width. So I took in... That's the reason for taking in 1 centimeter. Are we good? Don't forget, the way we did this, we determined the angle by placing this in this direction to determine the diagonal line at angle 45. Then we rule like this. For the center back, we used 2.5 centimeter, but this time around we'll be using 2 centimeter. Like I said, we have different measurement for this. So we're going to measure 2 centimeter in this direction. Are we good? So what do we do now? You connect, just carefully, you connect this to 6A and you connect to 5. You know, you have to because it's a curvy area, you just don't curve like that. You take it step by step. Do you understand? Then I'll connect 6C to 3C. You can see, look at it, I'm using the curvy part of my master pattern. You can get these tools at Waju Couture or at Fashion Tools 44 on all social media. So we've been able to curve our